श्रीमान, परेड आपके निरीक्षक क्लब हाजिर।
ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട കേരള ഗവർണർ ഈ സമയം പരേഡ് പരിശോധിക്കുന്നു.
श्रीमान, परेड आपके अभियोजक क्लब हाजिर।
റിപ്പബ്ലിക് ദിന സന്ദേശം നൽകുന്നതിനായി ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ഗവർണറെ ആദരപൂർവ്വം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
प्रिय पेटा मुख्यमंत्री श्री पिनराई विजयन, मट्टू विशिष्ट व्यक्ति कले, प्रिय पेटा सहोदरी सहोदरन मारे എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ റിപ്പബ്ലിക് ദിന ആശംസകൾ. It is with a sense of great joy and accomplishment that we, the people of India, celebrate our 72nd Republic Day today. Our journey from the 71st to the 72nd Republic Day, barring a few weeks, has been grueling and challenging. However, Indian resilience, determination, and ingenuity enabled us to sail ahead as a stronger nation to the uncharted waters of the new normal. COVID-appropriate behavior may have required us to scale down the exhibition of celebrations, but our zeal and spirit are no lesser than any year ever before. Today we celebrate the memory of that proud moment in 1950 when our beloved nation became a republic by giving unto ourselves our holy book of democracy, which promises all citizens justice, equality, liberty, fraternity, and dignity. India's journey so far has been marked by concerted endeavors enabling every citizen to accomplish and enjoy the promises of our Constitution and to realize the goals listed in the directive principles. Our trust in the lofty ideals and invincibility of democracy is unwavering. It reflects our profound respect for the known and unknown heroes whose blood, sweat, and toil won for us the spring of freedom, the dignity and pride in being Indian that we enjoy today. As we celebrate our Republic Day, a pageantry of our achievements fills our minds. Alongside our gains, we concede the havoc wreaked by the COVID-19 pandemic, which redefined our lives and lifestyles. India's apt response to the pandemic was marked by a timely action to restore the economic growth with self-confidence and national resolve. Together we endured lockdowns and restrictions, confidently seeking opportunity in adversity. As a result, we are firmly back on the track, wiser, innovative, and confidently traversing the path of self-reliance. Today, our fight against COVID is almost at the cusp of victory, with the nationwide vaccination drive in full swing. The Atmanirbhar Bharat announced by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji during the days of the pandemic rekindled the spark of creativity and innovation, taking the Gandhian concept of Gram Swaraj to the next level. In addition to the many indigenous vaccines in the offing, the two vaccines against COVID developed by Indian scientists and doctors in record time and trusted by the world will remain as path-breaking and epic strides in the history of Indian science, symbolizing the Indian spirit of self-reliance, the spirit of Atmanirbharta or self-reliance has been deep-seated in Indian ethos, as is seen in the advice of Rishi Markandeya to Yudhishthir in Mahabharata. Api shakam pachanasya sukham ve maghvana girhe arjitam swain viryen na vyapa shrite kanchana. The few leaves grown by your own toil, cooking them and eating them is much better than depending on others. The spirit of self-reliance as well as Make in India was evident not only in the development of the vaccine but also in the development of Swasth Vayu ventilators and mass production of personal protective equipment kits. Inspired by the Indian tradition of Vasudhaiva Eva Kutumbakam, we have supplied medicines and equipment required to treat COVID infection globally, including the developed nations. Today, we as the pharmacy of the world are supplying COVID vaccine to our neighborhood and other nations. On this occasion, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the doctors and scientists who developed the vaccine and the healthcare professionals and corona warriors who are working tirelessly at great personal risk. As a nation, we take immense pride in our armed forces, which are among the strongest in the world, with capabilities matching their large mandate. Their eternal vigil and restraint instills in us a greater sense of security. The recent developments at the borders were a test more of their restraint than of their strength. The acquisition of the latest generation aircrafts by Indian Air Force and successful testing of the quick reaction surface-to-air missiles and supersonic missile-assisted release of torpedo by Indian Army have made us proud. Equally proud we are to see Indian Navy's second aircraft carrier INS Vikrant ready for sea trial and the nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine INS Arighat ready for service. Despite the hurdles caused by COVID-19, Indian Space Research Organization, which leads India's space program, could accomplish 3 missions in 2020 and venture into remote launch operations from Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in the true spirit of the new normal. Fully conscious of the role of education in nation building, the implementation of National Education Policy 2020 is underway. offering immense possibilities to expand our horizons and to make India a global knowledge superpower. Accomplishments in education have always placed our beloved state Kerala on a higher pedestal. I am happy that the government of Kerala, led by our Chief Minister Shri Pinarayi Vijayan, has succeeded in making Kerala the first in the country to digitize its general education sector. We have also been ranked first in the National School Education of Niti Aayog. The establishment of a state's first open university in the name of Shri Narayan Guru, who professed enlightenment through education, and the founding of the Kerala University of Digital Sciences, Innovation and Technology as a timely response to the need for digital transformation are major achievements of the Kerala government. Our response to the inevitability of online classes for students was positive and most encouraging. In the few places which lacked connectivity and infrastructure, the government and the people stepped in with facilities like television and internet so that children did not miss the first bell online classes. Kerala's experience with COVID-19 has been challenging. Our swift response began with Break the Chain campaign, followed by innumerable innovative interventions. We could keep mortality to the lowest in the country and win acclaim across the world. As coronavirus underlined the truth that disease anywhere is a threat to health everywhere, we ensured that no one was left unattended and focused on upgrading 467 of our 674 primary health care centers to family health centers. We also rendered our expertise in setting up corona hospitals in other states in India. True to the unflinching spirit of inclusive India, our state adopted a policy of compassion and care, thereby ensuring food for all during the lockdown and after, through the community kitchens of Kutumbshiri, relief camps, and regular supply of provision kits to all card holders. We also took care of the elders and guest workers during the crisis. Care and cares are also visible as more than 2.5 lakh houses built under the PMAY Life Project for the Homeless, the 6,000 study rooms constructed to ensure better education to children from tribal areas deserves special mention. Government of Kerala is committed to ensure that the first position accorded to it by the Government of India for effective democratic decentralization results in greater participation of people in the democratic, and development process. The real beauty of democracy manifests in the extraordinary deeds of the ordinary people. This is why Mahatma Gandhi wanted our democracy to be one where the weakest should have the same opportunities as the strongest. The progressive strides being made by our state government are effectively empowering every section of society in order to strengthen the India of tomorrow. A healthy and prosperous nation is like paradise on earth. Riddham hi rajyam padmendra mahu. To ensure health, let us utilize the opportunity for vaccination against coronavirus and, more importantly, continue COVID appropriate behavior with utmost care until the threat is wiped out. प्रिय पेटा सहोदरी सहोदरन्मारे, विकसिता सुशक्ता स्वाश्रिया भारतम सुंदरा स्वयं पर्याप्त नव केरलम इवियान नम्मुडे स्वप्नवुम लक्ष्यवुम ई लक्ष्यम नेडान नमुक ओरुम योडे मुन्नेराम. Our dreams about a happier, more developed and stronger India can become reality only if we work in tandem to achieve our national goals of inclusive growth, transparency, and above all, people's participation in governance. Let us march ahead hand in hand, taking our nation to even greater heights, safeguarding the harmony that blooms amidst this diversity as our greatest inheritance. Ellavarkum Oracle Kudi Ende Republic Dina Asham Sakal. May we all enjoy the beauty of life and repel its ugliness. Ramanta Punya Lakshmirya Papista Ani Nasham. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Nanni Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Break! Stop! Break! Bagan! Sus! Break! Rasta slot! Slamet! Sus! Break! Bagan! Sus! श्रीमान, परेड को विसर्जन करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं. परेड टू ऐसी, परेड को ले जाओ.
അവസാനമായി പരേഡിലെ ബാൻഡ് വിഭാഗങ്ങൾ ദേശീയ ഗാനം അവതരിപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിലുള്ള എല്ലാവരും ആദരപൂർവ്വം എഴുന്നേറ്റ് നിൽക്കണമെന്ന് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു.
Platoon commanders, take charge!